All right, I have been waiting for this because this particular fig, the main crop, surprised me last year, and I did not expect a Breba, but here we have our Breba Pintassilga fig. And oh my god, look at that. I just touched it and it came right off. I hope that has properly ripened. I normally don't like it when I touch it and it comes off like that, and it feels a little bit hard. Okay, well, before I go in, I'm just gonna have a quick look here at my Negroni and Violet de Bordeaux to see if they got anything for me. And we are pretty much at the end of our Brebas. I mean, there's still a bunch of them here to be picked, but as far as trying out everything that I have in Brebas, this is Negroni Breba. You know, I noticed even though Negroni and Violet de Bordeaux taste pretty damn close, I noticed the Negroni Breba seems to be much bigger, at least this year. So yeah, once the Brebas are out of the way, we can basically start the race to see which of the fig trees is going to be the first to produce a main crop fig. It's usually Ronde de Bordeaux, LSU Champagne. It's the last Sucrete there too. And I got Improved Celeste this year too, which is an early ripener. So, and it's grown quite a bit. Improved Celeste. Look at that, nice and big. Got a bunch of figs on it. So we'll see what happens there. Let's go inside and try out our Pintassilga. Okay. Let's get our scale going. Let's see how heavy this Pintassilga is. 35 grams. Okay, I bet you this is about 45. Oh, look at that, 42. Very close. Okay, let's cut these open. All right, let's take a look at our Negroni. And wow, beauty. Beautiful, always delicious Negroni. And let's take a look at our baby here, Pintassilga. Wow, looking really good. All right. Weird, we got a little, almost like a second fig growing there. Let's see. Oh my god. Oh my god, that is so good. That's a Breba? Wow. Oh my god, that is probably the most delicious Breba I've ever tasted. It's got like honey, berry tones, maybe like a little maple syrup kind of taste going on. Let's compare it to this Violet de Bordeaux, Negroni, sorry. That's good. I would definitely say Pintassilga actually tasted better, which is very hard to beat a Negroni. I'm RK Figs. We'll see you next time.